Alright, so I want to just show you a very quick way to speed up videos faster than YouTube allows you. If you look here, you see that you can control the speed in YouTube. A lot of people know this. You have normal speed, and you can go up 1.25, 1.5, and 2, and then you can go down slower than normal speed. Okay, now there are keyboard shortcuts when you're on the YouTube page to control the speed. So if you hold shift and hit the greater than symbol or the less than symbol, you can go up and down in the speed. But the fastest it'll let you go is 2 times. So here we go.
Abilities, some big volcanic explosion, gigantic earthquake.
Okay, so as you hit shift and then greater than, it'll just go up each one of these speeds here. So you can see me controlling it here. Every time I hit it, hold shift and just hit those greater than, less than symbols while you're holding shift, and it'll control that. But you can't go faster than 2. Now 2 is pretty darn fast, but let's just say if you're watching something where the person is speaking slowly, or you're wanting to review material very quickly, and you don't want to just sit through 15, 20, 30 minutes of video or an hour of video or whatever, you can speed things up faster than 2 times. Now I was going into the inspector and manually setting that here in my console with this command. Okay, let me clear my console. So if you type this in YouTube, this will work. And you can set it to, let's see, 2.25 times the speed, 2.75 times the speed, whatever you want. Now, at some point, you will lose audio because it's just running too fast to be able to play the audio. But you can get pretty darn fast here. I mean, you can go like 375 times the speed and still have audio. Now, you obviously can't hear what people are saying because it's so fast. But anyway, that's just cumbersome. You don't want to do that every time you want to speed a video up. You want a keyboard shortcut. So how do you do that? Well, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for short keys, click on this one and add it to Chrome. Okay, once it's added, it'll pop up here in your extensions toolbar. Go down to options after you click on it, and it'll bring this page up. You do add new. Okay, I'm going to delete that one I just added, but you go to add new and you select under behavior run JavaScript, which is down at the bottom here. Click that, and then you tell it what keyboard shortcut you want it to act upon. And I have here Command Option Control Left on a Mac. Remember, native Chrome browser shortcuts will override these, or at least they did for me. So I had to find something very unique and simple. You'll notice this is a very simple shortcut on the keyboard to hit. And you have your JavaScript code you want to run here, and go to save. I always just refresh this page. I don't think you actually have to, but I refresh that page, and I refresh the YouTube video that I'm watching.
Why don't you describe for me as vividly as you can?
I refresh the YouTube video that I'm watching, and you know, because it has to take effect. So after you refresh it, you'll notice that it actually works. When I play the video, by the way, if you hit the letter K on your keyboard, it will play the video. J will back it up 10 seconds or so, and then L will go forward 10 seconds or so. If I hit K, plays the video, and I can use my custom keyboard command to speed it up now. Watch this.
You're worried about what it is that your scenario looks like. Fortunately, there's very few things, and most of them are very low probability.
Okay, now what I did was I set more. I set the 2.25 rate, and then for command control, option control, they're all the same up to the left, up, right, down, and shift. I added different keys on the end, and for each one they control different speeds, 2.5, 2.75, and then down, command control shift down, I'm sorry, command option control down controls, it sets it back to the original speed for me. And then I set a custom one here to go up to 1.5 when I add shift onto the end of that. So anyway, you save, again, just make sure everything's nice and refreshed, and so everything takes effect. And you can then control the video.
Describe for me as vividly as you can what it is you're worried about, what it is that your scenario looks like. Fortunately, there's very few things, and most of them are very...
Okay, so there you go. Enjoy, and let me know what you think.